This is just a quick video on how I color matched the maple wood on the walk-in closet I built for one of my kids. I found that this LePage product did not really do the trick. It's pretty close. It's called Natural, but I found it was a little bit too light for most of the wood, and it made it quite visible when you filled in the nail holes with it. So what I found really improved it was just to mix in some of the sawdust from the maple, and it ends up making the wood filler slightly darker and a more appropriate color match. I actually had to mix 2 batches of this. It dries out a lot faster once you mix the sawdust in with it. But really, I just smear it into the nail holes. And what I'm going to do is take 320 grit sandpaper and then I redo the polyurethane. So that's what it looks like. The one thing that I would change is I would have also got the lightest version of oak so that I had a couple different color variations and maybe mix those. There's one board where it doesn't work out quite as well as the others. On all of the really light boards, it filled in very well. And you do need to get right up close and personal and need to know where the nail holes are to easily see them. There's a couple boards where the nail holes still sort of stand out. Like I said, these really light ones, it's really well hidden. And these boards up top also worked out really well, especially with that coat of polyurethane on it. And even on this really dark board, up at the top on this side of the cabinet, I find that that one's really well hidden. If you just walk in, you won't see it. It's this in-between color board that was a little bit problematic, and specifically these two. So I wasn't too happy there. Unfortunately, that board didn't work out as well. Anyway, like I said, if I had a couple different colors in the old color palette, maybe I could have mixed up something different. Generally speaking, though, I'm really happy with how this turned out. Anyway, thanks for checking out my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.